Types of formulas. Rearranging formulas. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are some of the fields in which formulas are abundantly used? 2. What are some typical examples of formulas used in each field of science? 3. How to rearrange formulas to make a given variable its subject. Introduction. In the previous tutorials, we explained what formulas are and why they are used for. In this tutorial, we will explain in greater detail and expand on the concept by differentiating between various types of formulas used in practice. In addition, we will explain how to rearrange formulas in order to have an easier calculation of the required quantities. That is all for introduction to types of formulas. Rearranging formulas. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 8.2.1, Types of Formulas. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.